Welcome to One Door Studios Update. Today we have a pretty darn exciting update. One of the most important puzzle pieces in the development process is bank funding. Today we're giving you an update about that. Join John Jay and yours truly, Steve Walworth, for One Door Studios Update. Welcome everybody to One Door Studios Week 22 Update. Man, this is an exciting update for us today, and it's going to be an exciting update for you guys too. Let me preface this with a little story here. Through this whole process of raising funds and this development process, one of the most important pieces of the puzzle is the bank funding. That's why we're doing all this development stuff. And a lot of naysayers have come along and say that bank funding, what bank is going to fund a film, and they're not doing that in COVID environment. And at the right time, we were going to approach a bank, be in a relationship and build a relationship with the bank. And then at the right time, all our collateral in place and see if we can get a bank loan for production. Well, yesterday we got a phone call from a bank that does production funding for movies and television. They reached out to us because somebody gave them our property. They gave them a copy of Calculated and Simulated. They read the books and were so blown away, they called us and were basically pitching to us why we needed to use that bank for the film financing. So, John, is this a little unusual to have it happen in that order?
Yeah, well, sure it is. It's unusual for banks to talk about creative at all, first of all, but it's really unusual to be referred in that way. What isn't unusual is to consider the number of banks. There are about 12 banks with separate entertainment departments that are just working on entertainment projects. And that's been slow since COVID hit. So those banks are a little more eager than normal. But now the floodgates have kind of opened on projects that are starting to recalibrate and get ready to move out and to engage their bank funding. But it usually doesn't start with the bank anyway. It starts with the completion bond company. But it was pretty unusual and pretty cool, except I wasn't on the call, just you two guys.
Yeah, John had messed up internet yesterday, so he couldn't join us on the call. But tell you what, talk about getting a boost in our project. That really did it. So it's exciting for you guys as investors to realize that one of the most delicate parts of the process already has begun, and it started with them reaching out to us instead of the other way around. So that's really good news. And John, I think you have a little bit of an update for us on our writer situation.
Sure. Not much of an update. We thought that we would hear from them first of next week. So that was our last report. We mentioned that. We're still looking at that, but we have sent out for our term sheet to be prepared. It is a pro forma term sheet because we're not quite sure if the writer we're out to is going to accept the project or not. But still, getting the pro forma sheet done just kind of sets everything in order and gets it ready for engagement. So we're set, we're hopeful, and we hope this term sheet coming through will even affect the outcome of the present person or writer that is looking at the project.
John, just for those who may not have seen the previous videos, how important is it once we have a writer on this project? Like, what difference does that make to the project?
Good question.
Yeah, it's everything. Right now, the only creative representation of the franchise is in novel form. So as soon as the writer begins, all at once we pass through into a whole nother dimension of this project. It's no longer just a novel franchise that's really taken off. It is a motion picture franchise that is really taken off from the novel. So it's a big deal. Everything will kind of reset chemistry-wise on the business side and the creative side at that point.
Yeah.
So and the feeling everybody will have, because they'll be able to know who the writer is and the credits, the motion pictures the writer has put out there successfully.
Yep. And one of the reasons, viewers may be wondering, what's the reason for the delays? Each time we approach a writer, we need to give them the material. It's a 400-page novel, and we have to give them time to read it, and sufficient time to read it. We don't want to nag them. And so that could be a couple of weeks, and then they may read it and love it and say no. And so then we have to start the process again. So that's why it's taking a little bit of time. But rest assured, we will eventually come to a writer signing on, saying yes.
Yeah, we have personal relationships with each one of these writers. When I say we, I don't mean just the three of us here, but we have someone that's working development with us. So they know if we should give the writer an exclusive period of time to look at it where no one else is looking at it but them, which is what we did with the first writer. They also have a feel for how long that writer might take. And like you said, it could be a week or two, or it could be 3 or 4, but it's all strategy. So it's getting it set up the way it needs to be. Very exciting, by the way, on your call yesterday. In this particular bank, if we had our choice, this bank is right up at the top. Their liquidity is, and you might think, well, sure, all banks have money, but not true. Their liquidity is really high, and they're really aggressive in the space. And the fact that they know of this project, it was recommended to them by someone who's a studio production shop. It all makes a big difference. And the call, which I was not on, could not have gone better.
Yeah, I was so grateful for Jason. I was so grateful for Jason because he knew some of the names that this particular person at the bank was mentioning, and I didn't. So Jason was able to fill in those blanks, and we discovered how many people we had in common that we knew. So it was definitely a great relationship begun there. So that's exciting for everybody. As an investor, you guys be excited. You have good reason to be excited. So I thank you for joining us today on this update, and we will see you again in a week or so.
Yep.